In this video, we will be doing top-down analysis to find the opportunity to capitalize. And this video will be made educational so that you can learn a lot from it. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe because we provide educational material on daily basis. So let's do a complete breakdown analysis on GBP/JPY starting from the monthly time frame. What we can see is that the market has basically rejected a very important structure support on the monthly time frame. A rejection was seen at this point. Similarly, the market reacted to the structure support at this point and a rejection at this point. Afterwards, what did the market do on the monthly time frame? This candle with the long wick, this is a very important candle which we have discussed multiple times in our past analysis. Why is this important? Because when the market makes a candle with this kind of long tail, in the next candle the market is surely, there is a 80% chance that the market will be covering the tail in the next candle exactly as the market did. The reason is that because on the smaller time frame the market basically breaks above a structure resistance or a support, and afterwards it retraces back, and then we do expect the market to cover the tail in the next candle, which is exactly what the market did on the monthly time frame. So moving down on the weekly chart, what we can see is that basically another important pattern which we have discussed multiple times is a W formation. What we have discussed is that whenever the market makes a pattern like this, which is a W, in the next few candles the next pattern is to retrace back to the bottom neckline to complete this pattern. So similarly on the weekly time frame the market made this W, and afterwards what do we expect? We expect a retracement to the bottom neckline, which is exactly at this point. So we can expect a retracement on the weekly time frame to this red candle. Coming to the daily chart on GBP/JPY, what we can see is that this is a very important structure's resistance because market made all this huge move to the downside from this structure resistance, and again what we can see is that the market is basically approaching this structure resistance, and again we can expect a retracement as we discussed on the weekly chart, that we are expecting a retracement to the bottom neckline with our target being at this point which we have plotted with horizontal line. So on the daily chart, if the market makes a retracement, this will be our target. Now the thing is, how will we approach such kind of situation? So first of all, what we can see is that the market is basically clearly bullish on the daily time frame, because as you can see is that the market made an impulse correction, and again an impulse, and there is no any kind of indication that the market will be changing its direction to bearish pattern. So as you know that we are reactive in the market and not predictive, what will we do? How will we approach this kind of situation? So first of all, what will we do? We will wait for the market and we will monitor the market on the 4-hour time frame inside this zone, and if we find the market changing its direction on the 4-hour chart in the downward direction, that is bearish, then we can have a good shorting opportunity with our potential target being at the horizontal line. So if you liked our analysis, do like and subscribe and join our mentorship program and learn the best strategies which have been tested for more than 5 years and have a success rate of more than 90%.